Johanna.
Hey guys, today's tutorial is a super quick one. This is an idea for a very last minute gift you can whip up very quickly. So I thought it would be cute to make a little set of envelopes. And to do this, I'm just using some papers that I already had. So I use different book pages for crafting that I get from the tip, and so I took a variety of illustrated pages and map pages, and I'm going to create some little envelopes. So the first thing you want to do is cut the pages down. I cut mine down to be about 10 inches by 6. And then you're going to take a ruler and you're going to measure in at about 4 inches and just mark it off with a pencil. And then you're going to use your ruler to fold along where you did those little lines, and this is going to give you a 6x4 sized envelope. So you fold it up and then you've got a little bit left over to create the flap of the envelope. And then if you want to, you can trim out one side of the envelope so that you can sort of see what's in the envelope, or you can leave it the same length. Then all you need to do is go ahead and adhere the sides to create the envelope. So you can use double-sided tape or glue or whatever adhesive you have. I'm actually going to go ahead and use my sewing machine to seal up the edges of the envelopes. And you can see here I've got a nice little set of envelopes that are so unique and so cute all together. So to make this gift feel a little bit more substantial, I think the way you present it is really important. So I'm going to put mine in a little plastic pocket. And then I'm going to make like a little label for the top. So I'm taking a little scrap of pattern paper, folding it in half. I'm going to stamp the word envelopes onto the paper, but you could put whatever little message you want on there. And then I'm just going to take this and I'm going to staple it onto the top of the packet. And this is so cute and so fun to do. So it's a very fun and thoughtful gift. To make it even more personal, you could make the envelopes out of papers that are book pages from the recipient's favorite book or favorite childhood book, or you could paint papers and make painted envelopes. You could do whatever you like to make it a little bit more personal. Just a very quick little gift you can pull together using things that you already have at home. If you wanted to, you could also fill the envelopes up with goodies and make it even funner for them to go through and open up the gift. So I hope you guys enjoyed this gift idea. I hope you'll join me tomorrow for another DIY gift idea. Bye.